In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the Create List form in HubSpot step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. First of all, log into your HubSpot account and open the settings by clicking the gear icon. If you prefer a faster way, you can also use the search bar in settings and type in Objects. This will take you directly to the section where HubSpot manages different types of data. Next, you'll see a list of objects such as contacts, leads, tickets, and others. Choose the object you want to work with. For this example, you can select leads, but the process is similar for any object. After that, look for the option to customize the object. If the object is not active yet, you may need to enable it using the Data Model Builder. Once the object is active, you can start editing how the Create List form looks and behaves. Now you can adjust important details like the object name, singular and plural labels, and the properties connected to it. You can add new properties, remove ones you don't need, or rearrange them so the form makes more sense for your workflow. HubSpot also provides a configuration wizard that makes this process easier. Using it, you can control exactly which fields appear when creating a list and in what order they show up. This helps keep your data clean and ensures users only see relevant fields. Once you're happy with the setup, save your changes. From now on, whenever you create a new list, the form will follow your customized layout. And that's how you customize the Create List form in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.